Hi, my name is Neha Jain and I have attended Rajbandhi sir workshop in Stanley College of Engineering. When the workshop is about Verilog design history, and it was amazing. Actually, when we used to think that about hardware design and like if we can design 8-bit 4-bit, that was also a tough task for us, because there also will get some mistakes and all and in design. But now the logic which Rajbandhi sir has told is amazing, that no use of Boolean algebra and no use of Karnaugh map, and without that, within 5 minutes, I think not even 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes on the paper, if we can do, we can design even n-bit comparator also. So that logic was amazing. In like different circuit, within 3 days we got a lot of knowledge. I don't know, within 45 days will be the specialist in the VLSI design. It's like here in this we have studied about that only through this 3 component we can design any combination circuit, and we have understood that day to day what is the use, how we can apply our day to day examples. Like Rajbandhi sir has told, it was amazing. Like here not our logic, our study, not like that. Sir told the real practical example he has given, and through that practical example we have understood easily, and we can't forget that. That is the main point. Like if this practical now in the studies, what happened, we'll just study whatever it is there, we don't get any practical knowledge, anything like that, and it will be like we forget, and then we'll like that. But this thing is like, through this example we never forget. It's like a real life, whatever we are doing, to this it is we can connect, how we can connect, like that. Rajbandhi sir has given excellent examples, and I'm sure that if anybody join Rajbandhi sir course 45 days, he can get in any core companies of VLSI. Job is sure for him, and it is for industrial. If anybody interested in industrial application, he must join the Rajbandhi sir course.